Hi everybody, welcome back. This is not a fun topic today, but I wanted to share some information just because I was looking it up for my own curiosity. I thought I would share it with you. First of all, welcome to my channel. I do some random technology things and gig economy videos and just random technology-ish items. This doesn't really fit into any of that, but it does affect the gig economy people. So anyways, this is not just Southern California. My research kind of covers all of California and why gas is so expensive here. November 15th, 2021, record high price for gas in Los Angeles area. That's the day I'm doing this video. It won't be published probably until this coming weekend, but that's the day I'm doing this video, on November 15th. Okay, so why are gas prices so high? Well, nationwide gas prices are higher than normal and much higher than last year. It's blamed on the rising cost of crude oil as well as refinery maintenance and shutdowns. Production problems after heavy rainfall in Northern California is also being blamed. They are also saying that increased demand is causing shortages. So people have been cooped up for way too long and want to get out. And they are getting out. So the demand for gas is skyrocketing. So which areas have the most expensive gas? Well, GasBuddy is a website with gasoline pricing information. You should check it out. There's a lot of interesting things on there. I stole this map and the legend off that. Below are some sample pricing. This is not live data, and as far as I can tell, I think it's from October, but it still kind of shows you. The yellow is the most expensive area, and there's little pockets of yellow here and there, but basically California is over $4.20 a gallon. Okay, so that goes to show right there. This is where the expensive gas is. You can kind of look at the map, and yes, you can pause this page or you can go to this website and check it out. It's just on the GasBuddy website. I also created this chart on their website. You can plug in areas and it gives you a graph. I chose the nation. So here's the nationwide pricing from May 15th to November 15th. Okay, so that's a 6-month climb in pricing. And over here is the price. This is the date, okay, for regular gas. So the blue is the nation, red is Los Angeles, and green is San Francisco. So you can kind of see how LA region and San Francisco region have just been way above the national average. It was interesting to see here. But so here from May, it looks like San Francisco was about, $2.80 a gallon approximately. Now it's at $4.85 a gallon. That's $2 a gallon in 6 months. That's crazy price hikes. Anyways, okay. So taxes and fees make up $1.18 per gallon of gas in California. Before I forget, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. That'd be fantastic. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Also, if you find this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that too. By giving this a thumbs up does not mean that you're happy that the price of gas is going up. It just means that you appreciate my information that I'm sharing. Okay, anyways. So today they were showing on the news price close to $6 a gallon in LA, the Fairfax Melrose area, which is insane. One gas station in the Bay Area they showed had $6.69 a gallon. This is for regular gas, 87. Prices are over $5 a gallon in many other areas. I saw gas today for $5.29 a gallon, regular 87, which was like, wow. I'm afraid to drive. According to the EIA site, that's a government organization, and I already forgot what it stands for, but the average price in California for 87 regular gas is $4.77 as of today, November 15th, 2021. This is a new record. For the second day in a row, it's the highest price, which is crazy. This is also from EIA Gov. These are some comparisons of different areas. So this was from November 1st and November 15th. Not a tremendous difference. 0.07 cents, 0.007 in all of the United States. 0.006. It actually went down in the lower Atlantic. Midwest went down a little bit. Gulf Coast went down a little bit. Rocky Mountains went up. West Coast went up quite a bit. Like I said, this is only in a 2-week time period. Will it keep rising? Well, they do not predict the prices to stabilize anytime soon. More demand as we enter the holiday season will put more pressure on gas production, so that increases pricing. Supply and demand. And the gas companies are not known for making it affordable. They want as much profit as they can get. That's just how the gas industry works. Gas was pretty low for a little while there, so they got to make up for it somewhere. And also, if there's a cold winter, heating oil also will affect crude oil pricing. So you need to try to save money in other areas so you can afford to drive your car. This is really kind of sad that many of us may not be able to afford to drive our cars. I drive approximately 30 miles a day back and forth to work. And my car gets about 300 miles to one tank of gas. It costs about, I don't know how much it's going to cost. I haven't gotten gas in, I don't even remember the last time I got gas. It's been over a week. So I'm interested to see how much it costs to fill my gas tank. I don't even know how many gallons of gas my car takes, to be honest. But I have to put premium in. It's a BMW, so that makes it a little bit more expensive. I should look that up. Anyways, so if it's, let's say, 30 miles round trip, and I can go about 300 miles on a tank, so that means I can have 10 days of, if I only went to work and back and nowhere else, on one tank of gas. Obviously, I couldn't really do that because I would be running on empty, but 9.5 days. Okay. What can we do? Well, not much, unfortunately. Drive less. For some of us, you can do that. If you're only driving to work and back to school and back, I guess you could walk. Use GasBuddy or other apps to find the cheapest gas in your area. Now, this is something that drives me crazy. So, people will drive 10 minutes out of their way to save 5 cents for a gallon of gas. Okay, let's say you're buying 10 gallons. That's 50 cents you're saving by driving 10 minutes out of the way and waiting in line at this other gas station because it's cheaper, and with everyone else is there getting gas and you're using your gas while you're waiting in line. To me, that's not really a savings, but if it's 30 cents a gallon less, then that might be, but for 5 cents or something, I'm not going to do it. If your car does not specifically ask for premium gas, just use 87. Your car doesn't need premium gas. If it doesn't say on the gas tank that you must use premium, don't use premium because it costs more. If you can carpool, do so. Even if you just find one person that lives sort of near you that you can drive half the time, let them drive half the time, that'll save some money. If you can walk or ride a bike, do so. If you live near a store that you frequent, walk once in a while, or ride your bike. That'll save on some gas. Don't drive over the speed limit or take off fast from a red light. Those habits use more fuel. Unfortunately, I do both of those things. I like to drive fast and I like to take off fast. Not crazy in an unsafe way, but I have a nice fun car and I like to enjoy it. But I think I'm going to start driving a little bit mellower to try to save some gas. And the last tip I have is to try to see if you can work remotely. Even if your boss lets you work a couple days remotely, that will save you some money because that's 2 fewer days, that you won't be driving to the office. So ask. All they can do is say no, right? Anyways, that's all I have for today. I don't have any good advice other than try to drive less, save some money. Do the best you can. Anyways, I hope this was interesting. Like I said, I was just doing research for my own curiosity, and I thought I'd share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.